What if the Jesus you picture isn't the Jesus the Bible actually shows? Today we're counting down 10 surprising facts that reveal his heart, his power, and why his story still changes lives. The resurrection was physical, not ghostly. After rising from the dead, Jesus told his friends, "Touch me and see." He even ate a piece of fish in front of them. This wasn't a vision or a dream, it was real, touchable life. Proof that our hope isn't vague or imaginary but solid and bodily. He looked ordinary. Jesus didn't glow or stand out in a crowd. That's why Judas had to identify him with a kiss. Even after the resurrection, Mary mistook him for a gardener until he spoke her name. God wanted people to follow Jesus for who he was, not how he looked. His first miracle saved a family from shame. At a village wedding, the hosts ran out of wine, deeply embarrassing in that culture. Jesus quietly turned water into excellent wine. His first public sign wasn't flashy, it was compassionate. He protected a family's joy and dignity. He touched the untouchable. When a man with leprosy begged for help, Jesus didn't keep his distance. He reached out and touched him, then healed him. Before curing the disease, he restored the man's dignity. Love moved first, the miracle followed. Jesus wept. Standing at the tomb of his friend Lazarus, knowing a miracle was moments away, Jesus still cried. He didn't rush past human pain, he entered it. If the Son of God let tears fall, then our tears aren't weakness, they're welcome. Creation obeyed his voice. In a violent storm, Jesus said, "Quiet, be still," and the wind and waves calmed instantly. He even walked on water to reach his friends. What drowns others couldn't drown him, and with him, we can stand where we never thought possible. He agonized in Gethsemane. The night before the cross, the pressure was so intense that his sweat fell like drops of blood. He prayed, "Not my will, but yours be done." This is surrender in its purest form, choosing obedience when everything in you wants a way out. The cross was brutal, and he forgave anyway. Beaten and disfigured, barely recognizable, Jesus was nailed to a cross. As soldiers gambled for his clothes and the crowd mocked him, he prayed, "Father, forgive them." This is the core of his message, mercy for those who don't deserve it, meaning all of us. His trial was a miscarriage of justice. Held at night with conflicting witnesses, even the Roman governor admitted, "I find no basis for a charge against him." The only truly innocent man was condemned so the guilty could go free. What looked like failure became the doorway to redemption. His own brothers didn't believe until they did. During his ministry, Jesus' brothers doubted him. After the resurrection, they became leaders of the early church. That kind of turnaround, up close and personal, points to something more than inspiration. It points to a risen Savior. Why this matters? These facts aren't random trivia. Together they paint a clear picture. Jesus is deeply compassionate, quietly humble, fearlessly powerful, and endlessly forgiving. He steps into our shame, our storms, our tears, and brings restoration. The cross wasn't the end, it was the beginning of a hope stronger than death. If you've ever wondered what God is like, look at Jesus. He meets people where they are, and changes them from the inside out. That invitation is still open, today. We hope you enjoyed 10 shocking facts about Jesus. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel Throne and Kingdom.